Hey there, Sunseekers. We are at the Iberostar Quetzal. This is room 2326. This is a pool view room that also has some tropical views as well. As we walk in, you can see the amazing, vibrant colors of this room. This one happens to have a beautiful big king bed, two side tables, a couple of reading lamps. Got a table and chair there, so maybe if you're going to do some in-room dining or you've got some work that you have to do perhaps, you can do that there. Nice little chaise lounge. I will get to the balcony in a minute, but let's take a look over here. So again, you have a nice little desk area, big television, mirror. Let's take a little look here, what we've got in the drawer. So you've got a little cupboard area here, and you've got your coffee machine. Really love this right here. You've got reusable water bottles. So while you're here at the resort, you can make use of the water filling stations, which I think is a fantastic feature. It's going to cut down on plastic waste. And you've got a little mini fridge here as well. I don't spend a lot of time looking at these, but had been asked that question a little bit recently. So I wanted to take a look at those. Some storage area here. You can tell we just got to the resort. Got my bag set up there. And really like this bathroom setup. It's not huge, but it is all that you need. You've got shower head with the handheld nozzle. You've got the dispensing station. Towels. I'll give you a little wave as we come around. Hey Sunseekers, thanks for watching the video. Single sink. And as I move the door over here, you've got the toilet area, trash can, and conveniently located the blow dryer. Nice little window up there as well to get a little sunlight in there. Last but not least, I'll take a little look at the cupboard here. So first thing you'll see is lots of hanger space, shelf space, the safe, some more shelf space, and I'll move these doors over slightly. Again, you can see the hangers coming into view, the ironing board, and an umbrella, because sometimes you do get a wee little shower here in Playa del Carmen. But this is a pool view king suite here at Iberostar Quetzal. And last but certainly not least is this beautiful, big beautiful balcony. It is steps from the two main pools. There's a slight ocean view. You've got a table and two chairs. Jungle view as well. Drying rack for all your bathing suits and wet clothing. So this is the premium tropical and pool view room. And this is the beautiful balcony.